Alright, welcome back to another tutorial. This time the tutorial will be on the trick known as Hellish. Now, Hellish is a move where you start with a Y2K, and then after you do the Y2K, you're going to stop it, and then you're going to do an index rollover, and you're going to end in the reverse Y2K grip again. Alright? So that's basically all the move is. It sounds really simple. Sorry, excuse me. It sounds really simple, and it kind of is once you get the hang of it. But I'll show you how to do it anyway. So you're gonna want to start out in the Y2K grip or reverse grip, whatever you want to call it, just holding the bite handle. You can do it from either the safe handle or the bite handle, but the way it was taught to me, it was a bite handle. So you're gonna throw the Y2K, and then you're gonna stop it like this, like you're going to go into a chaplain. But instead of going into a chaplain, you're going to stop the Y2K on your index finger and pinch it with your index finger and your ring finger. Now what you're going to do after that is you're going to swing it around your middle finger, but as it gets to about right here, so you're starting from right here, you swing it. You're not going to do a 0G middle finger rollover. What we're going to do is, as it's swinging like this, you're going to replace your middle finger, which is in between the two handles, with your index finger. And that's going to initiate a roll around your index finger. Then you're going to close it like that, so it ends up in the Y2K grip again. So you can repeat the trick as many times as you'd like. So slow it down a little bit. If you don't know how to do the Y2K, go learn that first. That's kind of a definite need to know for this trick. And then you're also going to want to know index rollovers. Now, the thing about this trick is it's going to feel really awkward when you're learning it, because if you do mess up, there isn't really much of a risk, because if you mess up, you're just going to go into a chaplain, really. I mean, unless you royally screw up. But really, yeah, you're just going to be... The hardest part of the trick is just replacing your middle finger with your index finger. So, I'm going to throw the Y2K, swing it around, replace your index. It's kind of like, you know how when you're doing the helix, you're going to want to touch the tip of your index finger to your middle finger in order to get... And also you can kind of use your thumb to guide you too a little bit when you're learning this. You can use your thumb to kind of help you twist the handle a little bit. But you're really going to want to learn how to just do that with your index and ring. Like that, okay? So, like I said, the only really tip I can really give you is just make sure that you're, touching your index, the tip of your index to the tip of your middle. And then you really want to also make sure that your fingers are on the side of the handle, so that way when it comes back around, you're not just going to slice into your thumb, especially with a knife like the Alpha Beast that can just kind of take off the tip of your thumb. So yeah, that's basically the Hellish. It looks pretty fancy in some moves. That's really all I can give you for tips. It's just you really got to work at it. Just remember, start like this, swing it around, and as it's going around, that's what you want to do. As it's going around, as you're going like that, that is when you're going to want to initiate the twist, kind of with your wrist and your index and middle, and then go into a index rollover, and then close it like that. And basically that's the Hellish. That's all you really need to know for it. It's a really fun trick. It looks snazzy in combos. So hope this helped. Peace.